Turning now to the Lindsay Clancy trial, another emotional day in court. Clancy appearing to cry at the defense table, and we do want to warn you, the details of this case are heartbreaking. Prosecutors say Clancy killed her 3 young children and then tried to take her own life. The family's former nanny testifying today, calling Clancy a wonderful mom who loved her children.
Do I love Lindsay?
Yeah.
I did love Lindsay, yes.
Lindsay Clancy putting her head in her hands, overcome with emotion during the 7th day of testimony in her murder trial. Her former nanny painting a picture of a loving family in the months leading up to the tragic day investigators say Clancy strangled her 3 young children.
I observed a wonderful mom who loved her kids.
Elaine Rossi worked for the Clancy family in late 2022, just a few months before the killings. She was hired to help care for the children as Clancy prepared to return to work after the birth of her 3rd child. Rossi says during her time with the family, she learned Clancy was struggling with her mental health.
Did you come to find out that Lindsay was having some issues?
I did.
Did she talk to you about that?
She did.
And what did she tell you about her issues?
She shared with me that she was suffering from postpartum.
Rossi says she noticed medication bottles around the house, something Clancy spoke to her about.
She was not going to nurse Callan anymore because she was going to be starting a new medication.
Rossi telling the court during her time with the family, she noticed changes in Clancy's behavior. She says Clancy began losing weight and was having trouble sleeping. Rossi was let go from her position when Clancy decided not to return to work and planned on staying home to care for the children herself. Questioned by Clancy's defense attorney about what kind of mother she was, Rossi testified in glowing terms. A stark contrast with the prosecution's case that the killings were meticulously planned in advance.
She was very concerned with their safety. She was very concerned with Callan's eating and sleeping. She was a wonderful mother.
Clancy's attorneys do not deny that she killed her 3 young children. They do argue she should not be held criminally responsible, saying she was over-medicated by doctors and suffering from postpartum psychosis. Mental health is at the center of this trial. If you or anyone you know is struggling, you can call the Crisis Lifeline by dialing 988 to speak with a counselor. Help is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.